Hi dear kids. Yeah, we were been in the last class related to the exercise number 1.3. In that we have been started with the three problems. Okay, what we have been dealt in that three problems? It is regarding the decimal expansion and which type of a decimal expansion it is. Okay, three problems were successfully done. Okay, so regarding to that, now we go for the fourth one. The fourth question is 3 divided by 13. So here in this 13 is the divisor and 3 is the dividend. Okay, so now in this 13 and 3 is smaller than the 13. So what we have to do? We need to put a decimal point. If nothing is there, means here we can take a 0. As you put a decimal point, we can take up a 0 over here. Okay, so this is going to become 30. So you know 13 tables, right? Then how much it is? 13 to the 26. If it is subtracted, how much you are getting? 4, correct? So then next, if it is a 4, then as you have been already put a decimal point, you can take up a 0 over here. Now we have got with a 40. Next, 33 is a 39. Okay, in 40, 39 has gone means we remained with a 1. We have been already put a point, right? So that I can take a 0. So now when I put a 0, I got 10. 10 is less than the 13, right? So what to do? Again a problem. So if it is a problem, there is a solution. Put a 0 over here and take a 0 over here. Then it became a 100, correct? So 13 is less than the 100. So we know 13 tables. So the next 13, how much are? 13 sevens are. 13 sevens are how much? You know, right? That is 13 sevens are 91. Isn't it? So in 0, 1 has gone means it will be 9. So 10 minus 10 is 0. It is 9. Okay. So the next children, how much we have been remained over here? 91 subtracted means 9. So you have been already put a point. No, you can take up a 0 over here. So then how much it is? 90. So the next 13, how much are? 13 6 ja. How much? 78. Okay. So 78 it is. So when it is subtracted, how much I am getting? In 10, it has gone means 2. Take up a carry. So that gives 1. So I remain with a 12. Okay. So the next what I am going to do, as I have been already taken a point, I can take up a 0. Now I got with a 120. So the next 13, how much are? 13 9s are. How much? 117. Okay. When it is subtracted with the 120, how much I remained here? 3. Okay. So the next, as I already put a decimal point, I can take up a 0. Okay. So then when I take up a 0, then again, how much are? 13 2s are. How much it is? 26. Remained with 4. I think somewhere we have got like this 4, right? Here it is. So like that means now it is repeating. How like? 0.230769. Again it has come 2 means it will be repeating same case. How like? 0.230769. Again it is 230769. It will be coming repeated, right? So what kind of a decimal expansion it is? Therefore it is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Understood, children? So here we have been found out which type of decimal expansion it is. It has been written out here. The next question is fifth main, that is 2 divided by 11. Here the 11 is divisor and the 2 is dividend. When it is compared with 11 and the 2 is smaller. So what we need to do? We need to write 0 point. Okay. So as you put a point, you can take a 0 over here. 11 1s are 11. Okay. Remained with 9. Okay. You put already point now, so that you can take up a 0 over here. The next 11 8s are 88. Remained with 2. When it is taken carry, it's a 0 over here. Okay, put the point already so that you can take a 0. The next 11 ones are 11. Remain here with a 9. So take up next 0. Okay, then again 11 eights are 88. Subtracted means you get the 2. Okay, so then you can take a 0. So then again 11 ones are 11. Remain with, yes, tell me, that is 9 and the 0. Then if I take a 0 over here, same case, 11 eights are 88. When it is subtracted like this, again I am getting a 2 over here. Okay, so then see the top at the answer quotient over here. Is it repeating the same case? 18, 18, 18. So then it is what kind of a decimal expansion it is? It is non-terminating and repeating. What is repeating here in this? It is repeating 1818. Repeating decimal expansion. Okay, it is a non-terminating. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Here children, we go for the next, that is sixth problem. Check it over here. Here they have given 329 divided by 400. Take the denominator as a divisor, that is a 400. The numerator as a dividend. Okay, so when it is compared both, 400 is greater than the 329. What to do? As you know already, we need to make 0 point. So then here I am going to get it as 0. Okay, so then it is 400. How much? Don't know. So for that is the reason there we have one of the easiest method. What is there here? 4. Then you need to take one digit. Is it possible? 3 is less? No. So take the 2 digits. That is 32. Okay. 4 how much comes near 32? 4 8s. Okay. 4 8s how much? 32. It means here 2 zeros are there. No. That 2 zeros will come here. Okay. So that will be 8 4s are 32 and 2 zeros. Okay. When it is subtracted, I got with 90. Okay. So then I already put a point now so that I can take a 0. So then next 400 how much? 400 2s. How much it is? 800. This like 400 tables is very easy. So then it is remained with 100. So that I can take up 0 because I already put the point. So the next here, now I got with a 1000. I have a 400. Again I can go for the same. It is a 400 2s is 800. So I remained with a 200. Okay. So then the point is been put so that I can take a 0. So then I have been remained with a 2000. 400 how much are 2000 children? Very easy. 4 5s are 20, right? If I take a 2 zeros means that will be 20. So then 4 5s are 20. Then here 2 zeros are there. That 2 zeros I am going to put over here. So that it is 0 0 0 0. I got a remainder as 0. So if I get the remainder as 0, so then it is which kind of a decimal expansion it is? It is terminating decimal expansion. It is terminating decimal expansion. Understood children? Okay, like this you have to do completely and correct problems. Yeah children, like this we have been dealt complete which type of a decimal expansion and how to do that. Okay, you need to learn this all perfectly and correctly. Because of this you need to read the tables correctly, properly, perfectly every day. You have to study it and you have to practice it. If you does not chant it, so it will not be good for you people. Okay children, so for the next problems we go for the next video. Okay, for any doubts of these problems you can call and contact me children. Okay, bye bye.